Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we've gathered here in front of the White House to commemorate the 36th anniversary of the East Turkestan uprising that erupted on April 5th, 1990. Before we start, we'd like to start with the playing of the East Turkestan national anthem in memory and in honor of all the martyrs who sacrificed their lives to fight for East Turkestan's independence. Thank you. We're gathered here today again to commemorate the 36th anniversary of the East Turkestan uprising that erupted on April 5th, 1990. 36 years ago on this day, thousands of East Turkestanis in Baran and across our homeland rose up in unison to protest and resist against China's colonial and genocidal policies, as well as the illegal Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. Today, the East Turkestan government in exile, the East Turkestan parliament in exile, the East Turkestan National Movement, the East Turkestan National Fund, along with all East Turkestanis, remember and honor the valor and spirit of the martyrs of the 1990 East Turkestan uprising in Baran. We also remember and pray for the millions of Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, and other East Turkestanis who continue to face genocide and enslavement at the hands of the Chinese invaders. Our thoughts and prayers are also with those enduring the darkness of the camps and prisons. We honor their resilience as well as we continue our fight for the liberation of East Turkestan and its people. Today is also a day of profound spiritual significance for billions across the world. We recognize that for Christians, this day represents a season of hope and victory of justice over oppression. We ask all who reflect on these universal values today to stand with us for the resurrection of our nation. We also recognize that this week marks the observance of Passover, a time that commemorates the historic liberation of the children of Israel from the bondage in Egypt. Excuse me. This is the story of the prophet Moses leading an oppressed nation away from the tyranny of the Pharaoh. The people of East Turkestan also identify deeply with this struggle. As we too are a nation in bondage, we too face a modern-day Pharaoh in Beijing, Xi Jinping, who seeks to enslave our bodies and erase our souls. The lessons of history is clear. No tyrant can hold a nation forever. Just as the chains of enslavement in the ancient era were eventually shattered, the chains of slavery under China's colonial occupation will also be broken. We believe in our own exodus from the bondage of slavery and the darkness of prisons and concentration camps to a restored, free, and independent East Turkestan Republic. On April 5th, 1990, the people of Baran Township rose up in protest and resistance against China's genocidal and colonial policies, which had recently resulted in the forced abortions of over 250 Uyghur and other Turkic women in an effort to reduce our population in Baden. Hundreds of East Turkestanis, led by Zaydin Yusuf, demonstrated against these genocidal policies and fought for the restoration of East Turkestan's independence. The Chinese occupation forces responded with over 20,000 troops, helicopter gunships, and heavy artillery, massacring some 3,000 of our people and arresting over 7,600 more. The brutal Chinese response once again confirmed that China, which has long portrayed itself as a so-called liberator since invading East Turkestan in late 1949, was in fact a colonial genocide committing oppressive invader. The East Turkestan National Uprising of 1990 demonstrated to the world that our people had not abandoned their struggle for the recovery and restoration of our national independence and sovereignty. The spirit of Baden did not die in the massacre. It continues to live with each of us, guiding our path and fueling our resolve to restore our national independence. Unfortunately, that massacre served as a prelude to the ongoing genocide we face today. As we enter this coming May 2026, China's systematic genocide against our people officially enters its 12th year. And China has no intentions to stop its genocidal campaign. In February 2026, senior Chinese officials met to formally call for the normalization and continuation of these genocidal policies in East Turkestan. This was followed by the enactment of the so-called Ethnic Unity Law, which mandates the total erosion of all non-Chinese languages, cultures, and identities. Our culture, religion, and very existence are being systematically eroded in this 21st century Holocaust-like genocide. The plight of East Turkestan's people is not a so-called internal affair of China. It is an existential threat. China's actions is an existential threat to all of humanity, including that of the United States. If the international community continues to allow a malign power like China to legalize the erasure of an entire civilization, the foundation of global security and human dignity is completely destroyed. The conflict between East Turkestan and China is an international conflict between an occupied nation and an occupying power. Today, we again call on the international community, and especially the United States government, to uphold their promise of never again by taking concrete actions. We demand that the United States government and all freedom-loving nations formally recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country. We call on the international community to recognize and support the East Turkestani people's right to decolonization and external self-determination, as well as supporting our efforts to restore East Turkestan's national independence and sovereignty. We further call on the international community to demand the International Criminal Court launch an investigation into China's ongoing genocide and issue an arrest warrant for Xi Jinping and all Chinese officials for the ongoing genocide and crimes against humanity that the Chinese government is perpetrating in occupied East Turkestan. Finally, we demand the termination of all economic and political deals that provide legitimacy and enable China to continue its colonial occupation, genocide, and campaign of enslavement. The martyrs of Baden did not die fighting for so-called genuine autonomy or improved human rights conditions or mere cultural rights under the Chinese invaders. They died fighting for the restoration of the East Turkestan Republic. They died fighting for the right of our people to live free and independent in our own land according to our faith, culture, language, and identity. Today, guided by their sacrifice, we reaffirm our collective vow to continue fighting for our national liberation and independence with unyielding strength until the occupation ends and until East Turkestan's national independence and sovereignty is fully restored. Thank you. Now we will face the White House. Now we will issue some chants in the memory of the modern uprising, but also to call on the global community, including the United States government, especially the United States government, to take meaningful action. Remember Baden, never forget. Remember Baden, never forget. Remember Baden, never forget. Remember Baden, never forget. Honor the martyrs and the genocide. 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 36 years since Baden. 36 years since Baden. 36 years since Baden. Baden was the spark. Independence is the flame. 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 Terrorist China. Terrorist China. Terrorist China. Terrorist China. Fascist China! Fascist China! Fascist China! Fascist China! Imperialist China! Imperialist China! Imperialist China! Imperialist China! 76 years is enough! 76 years is enough! China out of East Turkestan! China out of East Turkestan! 76 years is enough! 76 years is enough! China out of East Turkestan! China out of East Turkestan! 76 years is enough! 76 years is enough! No more Chinese occupation! No more Chinese occupation! 76 years is enough! 76 years is enough! No more Chinese occupation! No more Chinese occupation! 76 years is enough! 76 years is enough! No more Chinese colonization! No more Chinese colonization! 76 years is enough! 76 years is enough! No more Chinese colonization! No more Chinese colonization! Stop China's genocide! Stop China's genocide! Free East Turkestan! Free East Turkestan! Stop Chinese colonization! Stop Chinese colonization! Free East Turkestan! Free East Turkestan! Stop Chinese imperialism! Stop Chinese imperialism! Free East Turkestan! Free East Turkestan! Independence for East Turkestan now! Independence for East Turkestan now! End the Chinese occupation now! End Chinese occupation now! Independence for East Turkestan now! Independence for East Turkestan now! End the Chinese colonization now! End Chinese colonization now! Independence for East Turkestan now! Independence for East Turkestan now! End the China's genocide now! End the China's genocide now! East Turkestan is not China! East Turkestan is not China! Call it East Turkestan, not Xinjiang! Call it East Turkestan, not Xinjiang! Recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country! 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 Support East Turkestan's independence now! Support Support East Turkestan's independence now. We will fight. We will defend. Independence for East Turkestan. We will fight. We will defend. Independence for East Turkestan. Xi Jinping is a genocidal criminal. Take Xi Jinping to the Hague. Xi Jinping is a genocidal criminal. Take Xi Jinping to the Hague. China is a genocidal nation. Take China to the Hague. China is a genocidal empire. Take China to the Hague. Stop the 21st century Holocaust. Hold China accountable. Stop the 21st century colonialism. Hold China accountable. Stop the 21st century imperialism. Hold China accountable. China is a terrorist state. China is a terrorist state. China is a terrorist empire. China is a terrorist empire. China is a fascist empire. China is a fascist empire. No to Chinese colonization. Yes to East Turkestan independence. No to Chinese colonization. Yes to East Turkestan independence. No to Chinese imperialism. Yes to East Turkestan independence. No to Chinese imperialism. Restore East Turkestan independence. Justice for East Turkestan. Independence for East Turkestan. Justice for East Turkestan. Independence for East Turkestan. America, stand with East Turkestan. America, stand with East Turkestan. President Trump, act now to stop China. President Trump, act now to stop China. America first means stopping China's crimes. America first means stopping China's crimes. America first means ending Chinese imperialism. America first means ending Chinese imperialism. America first means defeating China. America first means defeating China. America, don't delay. End China's genocide today. America, don't delay.
America, don't delay.
End China's genocide today. America, don't delay. Defeat China today. America, don't delay. Defeat China today. America, don't delay. Free East Turkestan today. America, don't delay. Free East Turkestan today. Thank you again, everyone, for joining us today. Despite the rain, again, we were gathered here today to commemorate the 36th anniversary of the 1990 April 5th East Turkestan uprising that erupted in Baden, and to commemorate all of our martyrs who gave their lives fighting for East Turkestan's independence, but more importantly, to also shed light and demand international action to end China's ongoing campaign of colonization, genocide, and occupation that continues today into its 76th year in East Turkestan. We hope the international community will take heed from the tragedies that we are facing in East Turkestan and to take meaningful and concrete action to ensure that China's genocide that it's undertaking, its expansion, its colonization, its occupation that it's undertaking East Turkestan does not extend to other parts of the world and does not extend here to the United States. Thank you.
Marveşitan'da